Hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will show you how to cancel a transfer in Wise. So basically first what we need is go ahead to our phones or PC, whatever device you have your Wise in it. For example, phones you can get it from App Store on iOS and Google Play on Android. If you're using PCs, let's go ahead and open any kind of browser. Now as you can see, I'm going to use it on PC, so let's search for Wise. Wise.com, here we go. And basically this is the home page. Now, in order to cancel a transfer, so you can click. First of all, we have to make account correctly. So we have to click on Get Started. Let's go, personal account, and now we have to fill all of these informations with correct informations. Because after we fill all of these informations, they will ask us for proofs. So they will ask us for some documents like your ID card, your driving license, and passports, and they will ask you by the end to send them a picture of you holding a paper with your name in it and the dates and the hour where when you applied to Wise. After you get accepted, just have to go. For example, let's say that you are sending some money in here. So let's say, for example, you make it same currency, you continue, and you put your personal account, you fill these informations with your information, and then you went all the way to this pay. So when you when you achieve this pay, you can actually cancel simply just by clicking on this X button. So this X button is allowing you to cancel any kind of transfer. So whatever thing you are doing on Wise, if you wanted to cancel it, you just have to click on this X. So if I click now on this X, it will take me to the home page. So let me click. Here I am on the home page. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and thank you for watching.